How does a delivery drone find one small delivery spot when GPS can sometimes be off by several feet? For most of the trip, GPS can guide the drone toward the delivery address. But getting close to a house is very different from safely putting a package on the ground. A few feet of error could put the package in a garden, on a sidewalk, or somewhere the drone can't safely reach. As some delivery drones approach their destination, they can use cameras and other onboard sensors to get more precise information about their surroundings. Computer vision analyzes what the cameras see and helps the drone determine where it is, relative to the ground. This becomes especially important during the final approach. GPS signals can be distorted by nearby buildings, while the drone may need to position itself much more precisely than ordinary GPS can manage. But knowing its position still isn't enough. How does it know the area underneath it is safe? Downward-facing cameras or distance sensors can help measure height and detect obstacles. The system may also analyze the ground below before completing the delivery. Instead of blindly descending toward a GPS coordinate, it can confirm that the delivery area is suitable. The drone also has to deal with something a sidewalk delivery robot doesn't: constantly moving air. Wind can push it away from its target even while it appears to be hovering. Motion sensors detect these tiny movements, while cameras can provide another reference by tracking the drone's movement relative to the ground. The flight computer combines this information and adjusts the motors to keep the drone in position. Using several sources of information is important because no single sensor is perfect. GPS can drift, cameras can struggle under some conditions, and motion sensors gradually accumulate small errors. Together, they can give the drone a much better estimate of where it actually is. And some delivery drones don't land at all. Instead, the drone hovers above the delivery point and lowers the package on a tether. This keeps the propellers farther away from people and objects on the ground. Once the package reaches the ground, it can be released and the drone flies away. Other systems use designated delivery locations, making the final approach easier and more predictable. So for all of these reasons, GPS is only one small part of autonomous drone delivery. It can get the drone into the right neighborhood, but the final few feet may depend on cameras, sensors, and constant corrections from the flight computer. The hardest part isn't necessarily flying to your house. It's figuring out exactly where the package can safely go. If you like learning how the everyday things really work, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.